the changes happens 6 times. So here we are to put the number and together. The bottom one number is 9 and the red lion light. We put 8 above. We put 8 up. We placed 7 light lion. We possessed 6 red lion shadow. We put last number 8 at the top. So look at it here. There is 6 number 9, 8, 8, 7, 6, 8. And right, we got 6 lions and constitutes one symbol. Because now we're talking about the changing, and the very bottom number is 9, and the red lion is unstable, so change into 6. Above 6, this is 8, because it's stable, so no change. Keep. Here is another 8 above. Also false number 7, because 7 is stable, so no change. Next one is 6, because shadow unstable, so could be changed into 9. So we got the 9. Last one is 8, because 8 is stable, so no change. So we got the second, the comprise